This trail hasn't been used that much this summer thanks to the flooding. I'm at the halfway point on the trail. Oh, looks like it's still closed down there. Hey everybody, Marty here. Today I'm coming to you from Crystal Trail in Milford State Park, Kansas. I'm gonna check this trail out. It's been flooded for most of the year. Hopefully the water's gone down enough that we can actually make it. It's one of our favorite trails, and it's been a while since I got out. Figured I'd come down in Milford and scout some of the trails that were flooded earlier this year. See if they've dried up any. Last time we came out here, it was completely covered in water. There's a little side path here that leads off to down to the lake. So down in this area right here, you can see the path leads down. There's a little picnic area here. There's a little table. They had a couple bird feeders on some of the trees that were here, but it looks like they're either gone or washed away now. It's a pretty little spot to stop. Up here is the rock quarry. It's where Crystal Trail gets its name from. We come on this trail with the kids. We let them go hunting in there for gems and stuff. I think that's a turkey. Let's go check it out. Something big just came stomping through here. Got a lake to the left of us. Quarry's back down that way. I saw him climbing out of the quarry. Must be on the trail somewhere. I think it was a turkey. No, I think that turkey's long gone. Barrier's there for a reason. I'm not going to push it. I think I'll just hang out for a little bit here at the trail crossing and take the back trail back to the loop. Well, part of Crystal Trail is open. It's good to be back out here. I love this trail, and it's nice that it's not underwater anymore. Doesn't look like the closed section is either, but I know there's some creek that runs through there, so it might still be kind of deep. Makes sense that they got it closed off. Hopefully it won't be for too much longer. We'll be back out here again. We always come back here. Go in, finish out the trail, and head home. Well guys, that's it for Crystal Trail, at least the half of it that is open right now. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this solo hike. Every now and then it's just good to get out by yourself. And well, I wish I could have done the whole trail. Just leaves a reason to come back later on in the year. This trail is awesome in the fall, so hopefully they let some more water out of the lake and it'll be usable by, say, November. If you liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment. We always appreciate your comments. And If you're new to the channel, it's the kind of content you like, feel free to subscribe. Remember, get your families out, get them off their electronics, do stuff with them. Every now and then, take some time for yourself. We'll catch you on the next one.